Hi there, I'm Carl Lamberti, otherwise known as DrainPunchCarl. For 6.5 years, we've made plumbers and maintenance technicians happy around Virginia, now around the country and into Canada. Drain Punch is unique in that it's the strongest non-acid drain cleaner on the market. It's 52% sodium hydroxide. It pours through standing water. Doesn't have any foul odor. Doesn't cause any damage in heat. It's harmless to pipes. The other product that we're excited to bring into Ferguson is P-Free. P-Free is designed for unclogging urinals, whether they be waterless or regular urinals. It works in both. What's exciting now with Ferguson and what we're doing together is that we'll be able to get the products locally to the people that need it, where they can pick up a bottle or two whenever they're in there getting their supplies and keep it on their truck or keep it on the shelf. It's been exciting to meet the people at Ferguson. Very helpful, very energized, and knowledgeable. And we're bringing a non-acid drain cleaner that was strong enough to get the job done.